Hello, my name is Jimmy Chan, owner and CEO of Worldcraft Logistics. Today, we would like to bring up two topics. First topic is good news. We found a way to lower your storage fee by 24% during this time, and during peak season, we will able to save you storage fee up to 73% versus Amazon FBA. Topic number two is going to be that we ask for your support during this time. Let's go over topic number one, how we're able to do this. In the last 1 year, globally, prices have gone up. We have faced inflation. And globally, we are now heading into recession. As we are, the truth is, struggling, we also see our client is struggling. But how can we work together to build a community where we go through this together? So as we see inflation price rise, landlord increasing the price of the building, and Worldcraft Logistics are paying this price and we have to pass it down to our client, we struggle to figure out what to do. And so we came up with a solution. The solution was that to move further away from the Port of Long Beach, to move further inland for cheaper buildings, right? But the biggest solution that we came up with was to narrow our aisle. So I'm standing in one of our aisle right now. I'm going to reach out my arm. As you can see, my arm is almost reaching the two racks. This rack right here is 6.5 feet. Okay, so your typical rack is 10 feet wide. What happens is that you cannot store too much cargo, right? So when you are able to narrow your aisle, you're able to store more cargo. So we're going from 10 feet to 6.5 feet, which means that now we're able to store more cargo, and now we are passing the saving on to you, our partner and our client, because we have to go through this recession together as a team. How to save money, how to survive during this time. This was a big investment for us. The investment was over $1 million. The investment was a large move. It was a big investment. And in return, that leads us to topic number two. This video is actually asking for your help. We're asking for your help to share this video, with your other Amazon seller, to share this video with your other friends that work with other 3PL, that they might pay a higher price. They might pay way more than what you're paying now, or they are just storing their cargo on Amazon. So Amazon is charging 87 cents per cubic foot during this time. We drop our price 24%. So right now, we are charging 65 cents. During Q4, when Amazon charged $2.40, we hope to fill this warehouse and keep the price at 65 cents per cubic foot. That is our goal. And we need your support is because right now, our warehouse, we are at 60% capacity. In order to stay at this price, at 65 cents per cubic foot, our capacity needs to be pushed to 85% capacity, which is roughly about 2,000 pallet position. So we decide to give our client first, and we decide to support our client first by lowering our price. But we hope that you share this video and you also get the message across so that Worldcraft Logistics is able to gain more clients, so that we could fill the space to 85% to go through this inflation together. We hope this video gets shared, and we hope this update gives you an idea that we are also planning for the future. We see what's going on globally, and we are always working in the back end. Thank you very much for being a part of Worldcraft Logistics, and thank you very much for being our partner throughout this year. Thank you very much.